Today I will show you 3 ways to import media in Premiere Pro. Click in Import Media at the left corner. After that you can find the clip you need from your files. I like to storage them on my desktop because it is easy to find it. Once you have found the files you need, you click on Open. And there it is. It is in Premiere Pro. But wait, there are 2 more ways to do it. First, I will delete this one and I will go back to the home screen you see right away when you start Premiere Pro. Click on New Project. I will give it a name, and look for your files in the list below, or on the list on the left side. I have it on my desktop, so I choose the left side. When you have chosen the file you need, you click on Create and it will appear in Premiere Pro. It will also show right away on your timeline now. Now we'll show you the last way. Let's first delete the files I imported already, and I will make the screen a little smaller, to give you a better visual of how to do it. And this is the way I like the most. It's just simple drag and drop, and you can slide it on the timeline yourself. Did you find this video super helpful? Then don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can ask them below. I will leave a comment or I will just make a video about it. Thank you all for watching.